In this video, I'll be walking you through trigonometry part 3. Trigonometry part 3, which is problems on trigonometry. Once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more by subscribing. Help us to subscribe and share our videos. Subscribe and share our video. Once again, Further Solutions Academy. Tell your friends about it, how the thing is coming up. Now, we are on trigonometry. This is trigonometry part 3, which is problems on trigonometry. Now, we have covered one. We have done one video 1, which is part 1. Part 2 also. Now, I want you also to show how problem comes on trigonometry. Okay. Now, I have a problem number 1. If tan theta is equals to 4 all over 5, find this where theta is acute. Now, when we talk about acute, it means my angle is operating on what? 90 below, which is 90 below. If it is obtuse 90 above, which is 90 to 180. If it is reflex, is 180 above. Now to 360. Now, solution of this problem. Okay, I have tan theta. My tan theta is equals to this. Once I have tan theta, I can say that my tan theta is equals to this. My tan theta equals to 4 all over 5, which also, now back to our ratio, opposite all over what? Adjacent. Now, I can now get something like this. I have my theta. Now, once I have my theta, my opposite is 4, which is 4. My adjacent is 5. I can call this place x. It means with Pythagorean theorem, but I can let you to know that x squared equals to opposite squared, which is 4 squared, plus what? Adjacent squared, which I have x squared equals to what? 16 and 25, which is going to be 41. 15. Now, if I multiply both power by 1 over 2 or root both sides, now my x equals to root of what? 41. It means my hypotenuse is root of 41. I will now move on by I'm having something like this to evaluate. 2 sine theta plus 3 cos theta divided by 4 cos theta plus sine theta, which is, now at this point I can see that what, since I have my tan, I can have my cos. My cos theta, it will be equals to what? Adjacent 5 all over root of 45. Normally, it's not proper to be putting your answer on what? Like this, because this is short form. You have to rationalize it. But for now, and the sine theta, it will be equals to 4 all over root of 41. Now, it means everything I need is available. I have my cos, I have my tan. Now, once I have that, I can now say that what? 2. What is my sine theta? My sine theta is what? 4 all over root of 41 plus, what is my, I have 3, which is I have cos theta is what? 5 all over what? Root of, this is multiply, all over root of 45, 41, all divided by, which I have 4, I have a cos, which is multiplied by 5 all over root of 41, plus, which I have sine. My sine will be what? 4 all over root of 41. Okay, since I have that, I can call it 5, which is 8, which is 15. I have 8 all over root of 41 plus 15 all over root of 41, not 14, sorry, 41 divided by, now this also 20 all over root of 41 plus what, 4 all over root of 41. Now, since I have that, I can now move on by having what? LCM is root of 41, all divided by, which, this plus this, 8 plus 15, which is going to be 23 divided by this plus this, which I have 24 divided by root of 41. Now, after finding the LCM of each, now once I have that, by so doing that, I have this, which I can answer that what? 23 all over root of 41 multiplied by root of 41 divided by 24. This will cancel this. Now, which I will have 23 all over 24 is proper fraction. That is my answer. What is proper fraction? I don't need to stress myself further. Which is what I'm looking for is what? Is root of what? 23 all over 24. That is my final answer. Now, another problem. Let me bring another problem. Okay. Another problem is, if I have a question like this, I have a find in their simplest form. Find the simplest for, let me use for the values of if I have of sine 3 theta plus tan theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Where theta are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. Okay. Now, if I have this type of problem and I'm to find, it's very simple. Solution is very simple. Now, will you just have sine 3 theta plus tan theta divided by what? 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now, what you just say, when theta equals to 0, when my theta is equals to 0, what I will just see is that sine is 0, which is 3 times 0, plus tan is 0 divided by 1 plus what? Cos is 0. Now, what is my sine is 0, tan is 0? My sine is 0 is always equals to what? Is 0. While cos is 0 is 1. Okay, tan is 0 is also 0. I have 0 plus 0 divided by what? 1 plus 1. Now, which I have 0 all over 2. Which my answer is 0. It means at 0 degree, my answer is what? Is 0. Now, I will now move on again. I will move on by having, okay, that is first one. When my theta equals to 30 degree, what I will just do is that what? I will have sine 60, which is sine 90, plus tan 30 divided by 1 plus cos 30. 60. Now, I think you have to use this now. 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. It's very important. Your special angles. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Root, 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 root. Now, that is for what? Sine and cos. Sine and cos. For tan also, I can also do the same thing for tan. If my sine will be working like this, while my cos will be working like this, 90, 60, 45, 30, and 0. Now, for my tan will be working like this, 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I root. That is my tan. Now, it means at this point, I will have, this is my tan. Now, at this point, if I'm referring to tan sine 90, my sine 90 is equals to what? Is equals to 1, which is 4 divided by 4 is 1. Root of 1 is what? Is 1. I have 1 plus tan 30. What is my tan 30? I have root 3 all over 2, all over 3. Now, what is my, I have divided by 1 plus cos 60. My cos 60 is half, which is my cos 60 is half. Root of 4 is 2. 1 over 2. Root of 1 is 1. Now, which is half. Now, I can answer that my SM is, at this point, I have 3 plus root 3. 3 plus root 3 all over 3. Multiply, okay, divided by 1, 2 plus 1 all over 2, which I will have, now, I can now say that what? This will surely give me something. Okay, if I should have this, okay, is there any problem? I think there's no any, I didn't generate any problem. Now, I can now say that, since I have this, I can say that what? I have, root 3, this marker is fainting. Okay, I can see that what? Root 3 plus divided by 3, multiply by 2 all over 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, which I have, it will be 2 plus 1 is 3, which I have 2 plus 1 is 3, which is, I can even have 3 here. I don't need to stress myself. 3, which is going to be 2 all over 3 here. Now, since I have that, I can answer that what? I can now be having 9. I can now be having 9 with 2 brackets of what? 3 plus root 3, which I have, it will be 6 plus 2 root 3 all over what? All over 9. 6 plus 2 root 3 all over 9. That is my 6 plus 2 root 3 all over 9. Okay, is there any mistake? No. Okay. So 1 root 3 all over 3. Yes, that is my final answer, which I can also express it as what? I can also express it as what? 6 all over 9 plus 2 root 3 all over 9, which I have, this one can be cut off, which I can write this as 2 all over 3 and so on and so forth. That is my short form. Now, anytime you are asked to express something in short form, your answer must not be in what? Root. your answer of the denominator must not be what? Root. If that happen, you are to what? Rationalize. You are to rationalize. Now, okay, can we continue? The next one is, I'm talking about, let me move on to when is 45. When is 45, I have time. Okay, when is 45? Theta equals to 45. Now, when is 45? It means 45 times 2 times 3. Now, it means my 45 times 3, which is 135. Sine 135 plus tan 45. Tan 45 divided by 1 plus cos 90, which is when you double it. Now, by so doing that, you will have something like, now, if I have, my tan 45 is 1. Also, if I have, I can reduce this to 90 minus 45, which I will have tan, I can also have this as sine 45 plus 1 divided by cos 90 is 0, which divided by 1 divided by 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, which also the same thing as what? Cos 45 plus 1, which is cos 45. I mean sine 45 is always equals to root 3 all over 2. I have root 3, 2 all over 2 plus 1, which I can now express this as what? 2 plus root 3 root 2 all over 2 after finding the LCM. Whatever you can do, you can also take it like that, and which also the same thing as 1 plus root 2. Now, that is all about that. That is solved. Now, another problem. Okay. Now, another problem. Okay, if I have, let me move on to compound angle for something related. Now, for instance, if cos A equals to 4 all over 5 and cos B equals to 12 all over 13, where A and B are acute angles. Now, find sine A plus B and also cos A minus B. Now, let's try to work on this particular aspect. Now, solution to this problem. If I have sine cos A, go to your, which is 4 all over 5. The same thing as what? Cos is what? Adjacent all over hypotenuse. I can come like this, and have my theta A like this, which I will have my cos, which I have 4 and 5. It means s squared, call it x, Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus. Now, I can remember what? S squared equals to what? 5 squared minus what? 4 squared, which 25 and what? 16. I will have x squared equals to 9. My x equals to 3. Now, my s equals to 3. Since my s is equals to 3, I can now move on. I have my what? Sine. Okay, I have cos A, sine A, cos A is equals to 4 all over 5. Sine A equals to what? Which is 3 all over 5. And tan A. Okay, I don't need tan. I don't really need tan. Okay, If I have the second angle, which is cos B, we have 12 all over 13. They are different between this and this. They are not the same thing. They are different angles. It means you have to generate another right angle triangle, which is I have something like this, I have something like this, I have my what angle B this time around, which I will have 12 and 13. Now, since I have 12 and 13, it will be what? S squared equals to 13 squared minus what? 12 squared, which I have 169 minus 144, which 169 minus 144. If we minus that together, which is going to be okay, it will be 36, right? It will be 36. 144, which is this one going to be what? It will be 5. Sorry, 25. This is 6. This is 1. Abi, this is going to be 2. 25. Sorry, it will be 25. My s equals to 25. My s himself, s squared equals to 5, which is my x is equals to 5. Now, this is 5. Now, for my angle B, it means my cos B equals to what? 12 all over 16. My sin B equals to what? 5 all over 13. Sorry, all over 13. Now, everything I need is available for me. I can now move on by having, if I have sin A is a compound angle, which I will have sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now, what is my sin A? My sin A is what? 3 all over 5 multiplied by cos B is 12 all over 13 plus my sin cos A is 4 all over 5 multiplied by sin B is all over 5, 13. Now, which I can now multiply and perform my little operation, which 12 times 3 is 36. I have 36. All over. Also, this times this 13. Times 5, which I have 15. I have 5. I have 5. I have 5, which is going to be 15, which is 65. Now, I'll be having 65 plus, which I have, which is 20. I'll be having 20 all over what? 65, which I can say that 65 bracket of what? 36 plus 20. 36 and 20, which is going to be 66. My answer is going to be what? 66 all over what? 65. That is my final answer. Now, likewise, I can do the same thing for what? For number 2. If I should do my number 2, now this time around, we are talking about what? Cos A minus B. In complement, I can just say that what? If I have cos, it will be cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B. Now, what is my cos A cos B? What my cos A is 4 all over 5 multiplied by cos B is 12 all over 13 plus sin A 3 all over 5 multiplied by sin B is 5 all over 13, which I have 12 times 4, it will be 12 times 4, 36, that'll be 48. Next time that'll be 60. That'll be 48. I have 48 divided by 30, 65 plus, which is going to be 15 divided by 30, 65, which I can now say that what? I have 65 I have 48 plus 15. If I should add up, we have a 10. Okay, plus 40 is going to be 60. 5 plus that'll be 5 plus 8, 60. Okay, 60. 5 plus 8, 5, 10. 8, that'll be 13. That'll be 73. I'll be having 73, which is 73 all over what? 65. 73 all over 65. Am I saying the right thing? 48. What am I doing wrong? No, 48. That'll be 63. Sorry, 63. 63 all over 55. 63 all over 55. That's all about that. That's all about that. Now, another problem. Another problem. That should be the last for this trigonometry. Now, the last problem will be, for instance, if I have express sine 105, and cos 15 in short form. Now, express this and this in short form. How do I solve the solution? Now, the first one is, if I have 105, I can express this as what? Sine. If I'm referring to 105, I can express as what? If I have 60 plus 45, it will give me 105. 60 and 45. Yes, 100. 105. Now, I can say that what? 60 plus 1 plus what? 45. Now, this one becomes a compound angle. Once it's a compound angle, I can say what? Sine 60 plus 45, which it will give me what? Sine 60, sine cos 45 plus cos 60 sine 45. Sine 60 is root 3 all over 2. Now, root 3 all over 2, and cos 45 is root 2 all over 2, plus cos 60 is 1 all over 2, sine 45 is root 2 all over 2, which I can now say that what? I have 4. Now, I have 4 divided by root 6, plus I have 4 divided by root 2. Yes. Which I can say that what? My final answer can be 4, which is I have root 2 plus root 6. Now, that is my final answer, which is my final. You cannot do anything with this number because of this is root 3 and this is root 6. There is nothing, or what I can do there is that to show, I can say that root 3, root 2 plus root 2 divided by what? 4, which I can say that root 3, 2 bracket of what? Root 3 plus 1 all divided by what? 4. I think it's possible. It's possible like this. But you can't add up with 2 root 6 and root 2 together. It's not possible. Now, the next one, if I have sine, okay, number 2. I have 45, cos 15 cos 15 can be expressed as cos 45 minus 30. It will surely give me 15. Cos 35 minus 50. Now, cos 45 plus 30, which is 15. I can do that what? Cos 45 minus 30, which it will give me what? if I'm playing around with cos 45, cos 30. This is minus here. It will be plus. It will be plus, which is I have this also will be having sine 45 and cos 45. 30. Now, since you have this, I can now move on by what's my cos 45? My cos 45 is root 2 all over 2 multiplied by 30. Cos 30 is root 3 all over 2. Now, sine 45. Sine 45 is this is sine. Now, sine 45 is root 3 2 all over 2, and of the other side, which is sine 30, is 1 all over 2. 1 all over 2. Now, if I have this one is plus, I consider root 2 all over 2 bracket of what's left with root 3 all over 2, which is 30, plus 1 all over 2, which I can say that what 2 all over 2, which is I have 2 bracket of 1 plus 1. Okay, that is my final answer, which I can also say that which also implies root 2 all over 4 bracket of 1 plus root 3. That is my final answer. This is where we'll be stopping. The only part that remains on trigonometry is proving. Proof. When we get to advanced mathematics, we'll be working on that. Once again, thanks for watching. This is Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more by subscribe and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel and share our video. Thanks for watching.